Winter, 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 winter. A happy moment to be out in the fresh atmosphere. It's nice feeling cool at the same time enjoying the warmthness brought about by the flames. I think at least you should go out for a while or sometimes before the winter ends and enjoy this breeze at the same time the warmness brought about by the such flames. Yeah, it gives an opportunity to relax and a moment to enjoy the fresh atmosphere away from the rooms and away from the busy schedules of the day. It's an awesome moment to relax and meditate. Very nice indeed. Nice, nice, nice.